Hey guys, so in the last video, you'll see in the upper left-hand corner, we stripped the intake via mechanical methods. And it only gets you so far. So we're gonna use aircraft remover to actually just strip the rest of this thing, and hopefully we can make it real progress real quick. So let's get this thing soaking. So essentially what you wanna do is let this thing sit for about an hour after it's been soaked in the aircraft remover, aircraft stripper. So what you're seeing me actually do here is taking this somewhat debunked can of stripper, just kind of spraying it on, give it a nice little coat. Now I'm taking my wire brush and just kind of spreading it around, making sure the surface is a little roughed up, just make sure the stripper can get into there and the stripper can actually, remove the paint. So with this paint agitated and the stripper all over where I need it to be, let this sit for about 20 minutes, come back to it, and hopefully just rub it right off like I have been. All right, so now this whole thing is kind of chemically stripped with an aircraft remover. I'm gonna take the wire wheel and go over the entire thing. You kind of want it to be a little glossy like this, not so brown. You kind of see here what happened. You can see you get that grayish under there. That's what you want. So I'm gonna kind of wire wheel this and hopefully it comes out looking like I want it to. So the bottom of this intake actually is a good way to show you guys kind of what we're looking for. I'm gonna use this cut brush. I'm gonna hit a couple of these flat spots. And you see a difference here, how dark, and if you could feel it, how pitted this actually is. So we're gonna hit it with this cut brush and kind of see, hopefully, how clean it comes out. So I spent a little more time with a wire wheel, and you see kind of what we end up with. This is really what you want. And this is kind of what we had before. And there's a little bit of pitting right here that is the original color. So going from that to this nice silver is what you want. Really, I would probably paint over this with a primer and call it good if I was just going to throw it back onto a car and call it a basic restoration. But you see there are a lot of little pieces here and here with flashing that I just cannot stand. So I'm going to take a Dremel and a stone to that in the next video. And we're going to go over to kind of cleaning up these intakes. And that will really apply also to our performance series we're going to do a little bit later. But if you guys like what you're seeing, please like, please subscribe, and tell me what you guys do to restore your intakes in the comments down below. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.